Here we illustrate a technique for routing two tracks as a pair from BGA pads. This technique is not limited to BGA footprints. Any component footprint may be used. The key feature used is trunk routing, which makes the task very simple. Although trunk routing is often considered for backplane routing or data buses, it functions from two tracks, as we will show. Back to this example, only the track width of the pair of tracks and their spacing is required to be set. Hence, they can conform to a transmission line requirement. The pair of tracks will then snap centrally to the grid as they are placed. As the pair of tracks snap centrally on the grid needs to be set up first. We match the grid to the BGA pad spacing, in this case 1 mm, and the snap to grid is set at half grid. Next, in the Design Technology Spacings tab, we ensure the track and pad spacings are set appropriately. Also, in the Track Styles tab, ensure we have a suitable width track for the pair. If not, use Add Style to create one. From the menu bar, select Add Trunk Route. The pointer icon now changes to indicate that you are in trunk routing mode. Click the pad for one of the pair to highlight, and control-click for the other pad of the pair. Right-click and check that Route Connection at Trunk Start is selected. Also, Allow Pick Connections is selected. Then select Track Style and select the required track's width. You are now ready to start routing. Click on the PCB and the trunk routing pair will be shown. As you will see, these snap to the half grid positions. Right-click and from the options select Define Gap Between Tracks. Here we select 0.15 mm. Next, click to position the first segment. Route through the pads to place your tracks. The required tracks are now placed and complete. Use the Escape key to exit trunk routing.